After a neurological injury, like a stroke, brain injury, or nerve disorder, rest feels natural. Your body is tired, your energy is low, and everyone says, take it easy. Hi everyone, I am Rupreet, a physiotherapy intern at Insta Physical Therapy in Edmonton. Here's something important. Resting too much can actually slow your recovery. Let's talk about why movement, even gentle movement, is one of the most powerful tools for rebuilding the brain and body connection. The brain learns by moving. After a neurological event, your brain is in a stage called Neuroplasticity, meaning it's ready to relearn, reconnect, and rebuild. But that only happens when you move. Every small, intentional motion, lifting your arm, shifting your weight, or walking a few steps, sends new signals to your brain that strengthen those pathways. The more your body moves, the more your brain rewires itself for function. Why too much rest for slow progress? Prolonged rest can cause muscles to weaken, joints to stiffen, and coordination to fade. It can also increase fatigue and reduce your confidence to move again. Early, guided physiotherapy helps prevent that, keeping your muscles active, circulation flowing, and your brain engaged in recovery. Early doesn't mean rushing. It means moving safely with the right support. Even small actions, sitting up, reaching, or shifting positions make a difference. Physiotherapy helps find that balance between rest, and we can help with structuring a home exercise program.
Neuro recovery FAQs with Rupreet.
How soon should someone start moving after a neurological injury?
As soon as it's safe. Early gentle movement under physiotherapy guidance helps retrain the brain faster and prevents stiffness.
What kind of movement helps most?
Simple, repetitive actions like standing, balance, reaching, or guided walking help rewire the brain and rebuild coordination.
Isn't rest still important?
Yes, rest is part of recovery, but it's active rest. Alternating between rest and guided movement helps the body repair without losing strength.
Can overexertion make things worse?
If done without guidance, yes. That's why movement should always be supervised by a neurophysiotherapist who can adjust it to your tolerance. At Insta Physiotherapy, we help patients move safely and rebuild confidence step by step. Because neuro recovery isn't just about waiting, it's about retraining your body to move, think, and live again. Move early, heal strong, recover smarter with Insta Physical Therapy.